Hi everybody, welcome to Gems and Jewels. Today I wanted to show you how I created this sign. Keep in mind, if you're not interested in Chanel, you could do this with Louis Vuitton, or you could do this with Michael Kors or some other designer that you're into. I chose to do the Chanel one to go with one of the projects that I made a couple projects ago with my Chanel wall. And I was looking for something to go on my mirror shelves that's lightweight. So let's get started. The supplies needed for this are in the description box below. I had these 3 pieces of styrofoam from something I previously purchased. And then I bought the paper mache letters that spelled out Coco Chanel from Hobby Lobby. So here's a visual of what it looked like before I started the project. Those are 2 pieces of styrofoam put together. And the size that you're going to need depends and deciphers on which type of letters you're going to use. I chose the silver diamond confettis again because it went with the big Chanel sign that I had made for my wall previous. And as you can see, they're kind of iridescent silver. Now you want what I did was I glued the flat part here, and you want the pointed part up. Basically all you're going to do is you're going to hot glue every single silver diamond confetti on each letter. Because there's so much silver already in this project, I wanted to have some white and some black to break it up. So all I did is I took the diamond wrap, I cut it into strips, so there's 2 rows, and then I hot glued on the very bottom of the styrofoam. I kept that white, and I just covered up the cardboard and where the cardboard met the styrofoam, and I went around the perimeter on all sides except for the 2 that I glued together. I left obviously the 2 sides empty so I could glue those. So once I figured out where I wanted to place everything, as you can see, I went one up in the front and in the back and alternated. I hot glued everything as well as Gorilla Glued. I used 2 diamond fillers on the sides and some black roses. And then for the bottom perimeter part, I took some mirrors and glued some mirrors on there. I used them triangular. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching Gems and Jewels. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Should you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you hit the notification bell, that will tell you the next upcoming DIYs and new DIYs that I make. You'll be notified for that. Thank you so much for tuning in, and this is what it looked like when I displayed it. These are lightweight, so I have them on some mirrored shelves, although I may move them. I haven't decided yet. If you're interested in the large Chanel wall piece that correlates with this, I put that at the beginning of the video on that link. Otherwise, if you go to my channel under videos, look up Chanel, you will find it there. Thanks again, you guys. Another idea, just to throw it out there, your kid's name or believe, hope, love, something that you treasure as a word. Have a great day.